Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's husband and businessman Robert Vadra said he will surely join politics after some time as he wants to serve the people. He also hinted that he is ready to enter parliament through Rajya Sabha. Let's first listen to that comment.
राजनीति में अगर मैं आऊँगा तो इसलिए नहीं आऊँगा कि किसी को जवाब देना, मुझे देश में सेवा करना है। मैं लोगों के बीच में होता हूँ, मेरे को समझ है उसके बारे में, तो मैं उसको सोच के हो सकता है राज्यसभा हो, पर मेरे तो देश सेवा चलता रहेगा। आप देखेंगे मेरे सोशल मीडिया के द्वारा या जो भी है, मैं हर जगह निकलूँगा और ज़रूर रायबरेली और अमेठी और मुरादाबाद और हर जगह पहुँचूँगा और लोगों के बीच में रहूँगा। और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, उनका प्यार मिलता है मुझे और मैं आदर और सम्मान से मैं कुछ समय बाद ज़रूर आऊँगा राजनीति में। राजनीति में अगर मैं आऊँगा तो इसलिए नहीं आऊँगा कि किसी को जवाब देना, मुझे देश में सेवा करना है। मैं लोगों के बीच में होता हूँ, मेरे को समझ है उसके बारे में, तो मैं उसको सोच के हो सकता है राज्यसभा हो, पर मेरे तो देश सेवा चलता रहेगा। आप देखेंगे मेरे सोशल मीडिया के द्वारा या जो भी है, मैं हर जगह निकलूँगा और ज़रूर रायबरेली और अमेठी और मुरादाबाद और हर जगह पहुँचूँगा और लोगों के बीच में रहूँगा। और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, उनका प्यार मिलता है मुझे और मैं आदर और सम्मान से मैं कुछ समय बाद ज़रूर आऊँगा राजनीति में।
All right, we have Sabyasachi joining us in the broadcast with more details. Sabyasachi, Robert Vadra also pitched himself for Amethi, but he was not considered. Now he says he will definitely join politics. It could be through Rajya Sabha.
Well, absolutely. See, Robert Vadra for some time wanted to get into politics, and that is the reason why he was very keen on fighting from either of the one seat, either from Raebareli or Amethi this time around for the Lok Sabha. But on the other hand, the party wanted that both of the siblings should contest. But Robert Vadra now has said that he will definitely enter into politics, but it will happen through Rajya Sabha, and very soon it is going to take place. And he wants to be between the people. He wants to work for the people, and he wants to visit different constituencies in Uttar Pradesh. He said that in the coming days he would be visiting Muradabad, Amethi, Raebareli and other constituencies as well. See, time and again we had seen that back in Amethi as well, pictures of Robert Vadra was coming up. Even some of the local people over there wanted that if some from the Gandhi family is not fighting, then Robert Vadra should take up the job and fight on a Congress ticket from there. But that did not happen. Now Robert Vadra has made sure that in the coming days he would enter politics. Now he has put out his desire that he wanted to be a Rajya Sabha MP from the Congress party, and in the coming days he would actively take part into politics.
Right, so he is once again saying that he is going to actively take part in politics, and it is not to give anybody a reply or a response, but he is entering politics for Desh Seva, for people's seva. But then what's interesting is that he did pitch himself, and he kind of made the same argument for Lok Sabha elections from Amethi as well, which clearly was not considered. We have Anila Singh joining us on the broadcast. Anila Singh, now in the latest, Robert Vadra is pitching himself once again, and he says, I may take the Rajya Sabha route, but sooner or later I will enter politics.
So, whatever he is saying, he is absolutely correct in his own way. Because we have seen that the son-in-laws of this family have been in politics. Rajiv Gandhi's father, Indiraji's husband, even he was in politics. He represented this area as well. So if Robert Vadra wants to contest election and do the seva of people, he can. Because according to this particular family, seva of people can be done only by coming into politics.
But he was not fielded from Amethi. He pitched himself. He was not fielded from Amethi.